How to get rid of sticky floors after mopping advice. For today's cleaning tips I will show you how to get rid of sticky floors after mopping. Do you notice that your floors are sticky just after you thought you had mopped them thoroughly? This is quite a frustrating situation, because you have to redo the activity again, only this time with more effort. More often than not, the main reason for sticky floors is improper cleaning techniques and incorrect use of floor cleaners. Listed below are some simple tricks you can try to get rid of sticky floors in a jiffy. When you use very little cleaner, you cannot get rid of the dirt and dust on the floors. On the other hand, when you use a lot of cleaners, you will leave a lot of residue behind, leading to sticky floors. You can never be sure of the right cleaner to use when it comes to commercial cleaners. So it is a good idea to make a simple but effective DIY cleaner to get rid of sticky floors. You can gather the right supplies according to the type of floors in your home. For wooden floors, make a cleaner solution by mixing vinegar and water in a ratio of 1:10. For tile floors, mix equal parts of distilled white vinegar and washing soda, about 1/4 cup each, in a bucket with 2 gallons of warm water. Mix the contents well. For vinyl floors, mix 1 cup of vinegar with warm water to make a DIY cleaning solution. Dip the mop in the cleaner solution that you have prepared. Clean thoroughly to get rid of the sticky residues. Rinse the floors with cold water, or wipe them with a clean cloth, and your floors are clean in no time. Magic eraser method. What do you need? Magic eraser sponges, damp cloth, elbow grease, water. Process. Here is a disclaimer, this method works well only if there are a few sticky spots on your floors. If the entire floor appears to be sticky or filled with grime, this method may not be very effective for you. Wet the magic eraser sponge with some water to scrub over the sticky spots gently. If the sticky stains are still there, you can use some elbow grease while scrubbing. You will notice the stickiness disappearing when you start scrubbing with the magic eraser. Make sure you clean the floors with a clean cloth dipped in fresh water to get rid of all residues. Additional tips and advice. You may have heard that steam mops are quite helpful in getting rid of sticky floors even after mopping. While this is true, the heat generated in this method can cause a lot of damage to the floors, especially if they are made with wood, wax-coated materials, laminated materials, or vinyl. For other floors, it may be a good idea to use the heat from the steam mops to loosen the grime and stickiness from the floors. When cleaning your floors with any type of cleaning solution and mop, always check the water regularly. If the water becomes dirty, you should immediately replace it with clean water and mix the cleaning agents again. Mopping the floors with dirty water can lead to stickiness. The soapy residues may settle on the floors, making them sticky and dangerous for use. To learn more, click the link below the description.